Look at here. It's like table with chairs for barbecue, for lunch. Next time we come with lunch. What is on top here painted? Oh, here is west, east, okay. It's showing where are the plants. Here is 179th Street. Here is like a map.
Yeah.
This old table. That's very nice. Here is Choco. It's beautiful. We were all the way there where are the trees. Barely see them. Yeah, you are here, so we are here. Ranch. Very nice place. And Papi's here. He saw deer. Deer? Choco, you saw deer?
Bien,